Hi, you're in the Boxel dashboard right now. To create a workspace, you click on New Workspace. Let's give it a creative name. Plum Galaxy. So we'll just create the workspace. And now you wait. You click on the workspace. You go to what is an empty workspace right now. So let's put something in it. Switch to code mode so we can write some new code. Do new file, new card definition. Make me a home page, personal home page. You click create. We're going to use the AI. We're going to switch to the latest model, Claude Sonnet 4.0, and then we'll choose a skill. And right now we're using this final testing skill. Then we'll type a prompt. The prompt can be anything. Let's say, make me a personal homepage for a technologist/designer exploring the frontiers of AI. We press enter and wait for the AI to respond. It's actually going to the Claude Sonnet model, and it's coming back with personal homepage.gts. GTS is our template format. It's in TypeScript, and it's streaming code right now that we can review, but we will then wait until this finish. It is still generating and is now writing CSS, which is what makes it look like good. It's also creating different fields that allows it to capture different type of data and data structure and give you an edit interface out of the box. Now it's doing the isolated view, which is what the user would see, and this is what the regular template would be. Now it's creating an embedded template. Now it's ready. Say I've created a comprehensive personal homepage and has all these design features and it summarizes everything done. So before we can make an example instance, I'm just going to click apply here, which will then bring this homepage into my view. Okay, as you can see, it generated the personal homepage, which contains name, tagline, bio, email, website, LinkedIn, GitHub, projects, skills, current focus, and title. Some of the projects and skills are listed as a collection of project collections skills. And it's actually defined these skill fields. If you can link to it, you can actually see that a skill is name, level, and categories. Project is name, description, and technology in a URL. And this is just a schema creating a database, but you can also take a look at it based on how it's supposed to look. You can click on Playground, which is a preview. You can see an edit form that allows you to enter the same information. Would you like me to create a sample instance? Yes. Create a sample instance. This basically asks the AI to, instead of generating code, generating data, and fill this form out for me, because writing and typing this up takes a lot of time. So I'm just going to use the AI to do this. Now, if you have a resume, you can also copy paste a resume and say, fill this out based on this resume. So this is not a real person, and you're just waiting for it to working. In the background, it's actually generating all the text. Now I can click apply. And now I've filled out this particular playground with all this information about AI, ML, natural language processing. So let's see how this looks. So let's go to the isolated view, and we can see that Alex Chan now has a personal homepage with all the feature project and the ability to connect to them. So this allows you to take advantage of these other fields, even though those fields doesn't look like anything, but they are essentially just data structures. And if you want to embed them, which means we want to fill out a skill about using Claude, this would be the individual elements within your resume. And you can reuse these skills in other things, but this Claude integration, advanced level category. So the embedded view will show a little pill. This pill you see in the personal homepage actually comes from that. So you can work on that separately. Now you can now switch to interact mode, so you can see this page by itself. And you can then go back to code mode and make different revisions as you go. But that's how you would create a personal homepage in Boxel. See you next time.